Alright, guys. Sorry I had the sound off. It's back on now. Here we go. This is my last box. 2015 Field Access. So I already busted it, and I just realized I had the sound turn off. So uh, here comes pack number one. And then I was saying, ending tomorrow on the Bay is my full case break in National Treasures football. Teams are starting out at $49.97, which is cheap for National Treasures because the stuff that comes out of there is nasty. Get in on it, guys. It'll break Friday night. Friday's release day. I was just having the auctions end early, see how they go, and we will bust it Friday night. All right, guys. Last box. Let's get some last box mojo. Here we go. Silas Red. That nasty, why am I back foot floating? AJ Green. A blue Sammy Watkins. Nice Barry Sanders insert. All access. And then right behind it, a blue Jerry Rice. And we do have a purple. Blue Jerry Rice, not numbered. Oh, man, wrong Ram. I thought it was a Gurley. That'd have been nice to get a purple Gurley. Should be numbered to 25. $21 of 25. Nice low number. Looks like I got some PC love behind it, which is cool. I don't have one of his autos. Cleveland Browns. PC love and mojo. Anything 25 or less is always nice. 50 or less is very nice. Malcolm Brown. Not a big player, but nice low number. And the first auto, Nate Orchard. Nate Orchard. Not numbered. Decent first box. Some nice inserts. A Barry Sanders. Jerry Rice. I wish the Jerry Rice was to 25. And a PC auto. Robert Woods. And CJ Anderson. Next pack. I can't wait for Friday night, dude. I can't wait to bust that National Treasures. It's going to be awesome. Christian Jones, and you're probably not going to find any cheaper. I mean, I know it's an auction, but starting out at 50. Reggie Bush. Teddy Bridgewater. We did pull a nice Teddy Bridgewater auto out of this to 99. We got a blue Tom Brady. I hate Brady, but that's a cool photo. Showing some passion. And a blue Riley Cooper. Nice. This should be numbered. Andrew Luck Adrenaline Rush. This should be to 99. 57 of 99. That's nice. And then our next auto, rookie auto for the Jags, Rashad Green. Not numbered. It's hard to pull the rookies in this stuff, well, especially the big rookies. Rashad Green. That glare. Sorry, with it being daylight, I got my window open over here. It's making more glare. Richard Rodgers. Kevin White. And Allen Robinson. Pack number 2. What we gonna do? My former boy, Antrel Roll. Sunday I met him at the Hall of Fame game. Wish he was still with the Giants. Tavon Austin. A blue Tim Tebow. We got a nice gold parallel here of David Johnson. That's nice. Beast. Should be to 99. 60 of 99. 60 of 99. Very nice. Oh, man. Here we go. This is the first one I've seen of these. As you can see, this guy's hard. I don't even think I pulled a regular base rookie card of the next guy. This is an adrenaline rush of Amari Cooper. Very nice. That's a nice one. And a blue Terrence Williams. Wow, I haven't seen this rookie for the Bucks. Kalen Clay, auto. Not numbered. He's so sick if that was Winston. Kalen Clay. Dominic Brown. So this one hasn't had some bad inserts and nice rookies. Arian Foster. And C.J. Mosley. Last pack mojo, the whole last pack of the case. Let's do it. Sorry, guys. There's a Winston. Jameis Winston. Rookie. Very nice. Tyler Eifert. Another Bengal, Jeremy Hill. Got a lot of this guy. Blue, Clive Walford. Oh, and this is awesome right behind it. Stinks. I just sent to this guy TTM. I might have to send this back out. Hines Award. Very nice. Then we got a blue Dominic Brown. Blue Dominic Brown. And this is the one rookie you could pull a ton of. I pulled 3 Nelson Aguilars this case. I gotta look if they're all. I know one of them's different. One's in all access, but some of the photos are different. Shout out to Joe Henderson. Not numbered. Nelson Aguilar. Pulled 3 this case. But the ones Joe got in, he didn't get any. Sorry about that, Joe. I was hoping to pull you some. Nelson Agholor. Brandon Marshall. TJ Clemens. And Derek Carr. So, all right, that's the last box. Not a bad case. I mean, the J.J. Watt was nasty. We had a Teddy Bridgewater, Sammy Watkins, a 99. Kind of disappointing, though. So, that might be the last of Field Access. I might buy some here and there to do some group breaks because it's a fun little product still. But all right, guys, tell me what you think. Rate, subscribe, share. Get in that National Treasures. I'm out. See ya.